what I'm doing is I am doing a quick clean. I'm tidying up my kitchen since the kids seem to not want to clean up behind themselves. They never do. So I'm cleaning the kitchen and I'm cooking because I'm feeling hungry. So I normally do not start cooking before I clean the kitchen, but in this instance today I'm feeling hungry and the time is going to take me to clean the kitchen and then cook. I decided let me do both together, so hopefully I'll finish at the same time. So I got some groceries. I ordered some groceries and had them delivered, and I haven't sought them out yet. They're still sitting on the counter since earlier in the morning when they arrived. I just put the stuff that had to go in the fridge and then I scooted on back to bed. So I'm feeling much better. I think what has happened now is I have this little spirit of laziness on me, child. So now I just want to be like up in the bed. So I literally had to force myself out of the bed today because I have so much different things I needed to do. And I was craving for chicken soup. So I am cooking. Now I have to be cooking 2 pots. So I have 1 pot cooking for me and 1 pot cooking for the kids. So I'm cooking 2 pots of chicken soup. Mine is different because I have changed the way that I eat. I have made a lifestyle change. So guys, no, it has nothing to do with the New Year's or anything. It was because I was feeling ill and I had to make a promise to God and a promise to myself that I am going to change the way that I eat. I thought it would have been hard for me, but actually it's not, like cutting out the salt and the sugars and stuff. I thought it was going to be really hard for me, but it has not been. So I'm just giving God thanks. I'm happy to be back here doing my videos again. I missed you guys. I missed posting. So I'm back on the regular right now. So just stay tuned. Watch me tidy up and clean as I go. I'm excited, guys. I'm supposed to be getting my countertops done this weekend. So I'm kind of excited. That was some excited news. I've been waiting. I don't want to say how long, but it was coming up on a year. I've been waiting a while now. Probably about 6 or so, 7 months. But it's okay. You know, patience is a virtue. And I'm just thankful that it's finally seemed like it's about to happen. So this weekend I should have new countertops, and I definitely will vlog that for you guys so you guys can see the installation and everything. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And then I have to do my backsplash. So I can't even start the backsplash now because you don't know the height of what the countertops is going to be. So I have to wait, and then my walls are going to be kind of looking a mess because there's not going to be any. I'm not putting the backsplash for the granite on the wall. I'm going to use tile instead. So that may take some time to be completed. So yeah. As you guys can see, baby Zyla she's on those 2 feet of hers. God gave her 2 feet and she puts them to use. This little girl runs back and forth like she just be on the go. So the one thing that I don't like about doing my order for my groceries online, sometimes I order the wrong size stuff, like that sugar, the Domino sugar. It was supposed to be a big bag, I guess. I gotta see what a big bag of sugar is. I think that's a pound. I don't remember, but it ended up being a little box. And then I ordered some snacks for Zyla too, and it was like this little thing. You can see it right there next to the Domino thing. I was like, they have that selling in the store? Like, that made no sense to me that it was just that little pack. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm mixing up the flour to make some dumplings to put in the kids' pea soup. But that's one of the things that I don't like, because normally I'm laying in the bed when I'm doing it. Probably if I'm down in the kitchen I can scan stuff, but laying in the bed, it's not working out for me. So my daughter got me this portable vacuum for Christmas. She got this, and she got me a beautiful ring light. I was not expecting that ring light. It's an 18-inch ring light. It has a mic. It has like 6 different, I can put like 3 different devices at the same time to record. Like she really invested in what I'm trying to do here, and I was so happy. Brought tears to my eyes. So yeah, she got me that little vacuum. She heard me saying I wanted to get one, and she saw me looking at some, so she surprised me. She got one for me. Okay, this is the kids' chicken soup, and this is my chicken soup. So what theirs have in it, they have dumplings in theirs, and they have like different seasoning in terms of salt seasonings. Mine's I only have the pink salt is what I use in mine. A little bit of that. Just a tad, like a half a teaspoon of the cock soup I have in theirs. So I put some cock soup in mine. Just it's not even a spoonful. It was like half a spoon, because I'm not supposed to be eating too much salt. What else I have in mine? Black pepper. I put some black pepper in mine to help season it, you know. So yeah. No, I am not diabetic. I did have a scare of diabetic where I was losing my vision and all that kind of stuff, and I was having a lot of symptoms, and I was praying about it. And one night while praying with our online session online with my pastor, and he was praying over blurriness of the vision, diabetes and stuff like that, and my sight instantly came back. The symptoms instantly left. So I received my miracle. And my promise to God was that I was going to try to eat better. So this is me eating better. So now I have to cook like 2 dishes. And, I'm not eating any rice. So there's a lot of stuff I cut out of my diet. And I feel good. So, that's my little take. But I am just about finished. What I have left to do is wash. I haven't washed in so long because I've been feeling sick. So I have a lot of clothes to wash. A lot. So I am about to tackle these clothes here. I have to sort them out on the floor, and then I have some work on the computer to do. So, and I have to put away all these groceries still. So I'm going to put those away, and then I'm going to jump on the computer. So thanks for staying with me. As I did clean and cook, because I had to start cooking. I don't normally start cooking until I clean my kitchen. But the kids had this kitchen in a mess. And I was starving. And I couldn't wait to say, okay, let me finish cook and then clean. Let me finish clean and then cook. Like, my pots are now finished. I can turn them off. So they both got finished at the same time, the cleaning and the cooking. So now I can eat. So Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you. Bye.